Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made these deliciously simple lamb curried meatballs. First I'll start by frying my 1½ red onions that I've already finely chopped in hot oil. I'm not looking to colour the onions, I just want to soften them. After a few minutes of sweating off the onions, I'll add 2 cloves of chopped garlic and a big pinch of freshly grated ginger. I'll allow that to cook off for a minute or two before going in with my spices. So I'll add 2 tablespoons of curry powder, a ½ teaspoon of ground coriander, ½ teaspoon of Garam Masala. I'll add 2 bay leaves, a big pinch of chilli flakes, add a sprinkling of ground turmeric. I'll give that all a good stir and allow to cook under a low heat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll take it off the heat and let it get cold. Now that the onion and spice mixture are cold, I'm going to put half of it into a bowl and combine it really well with 400 grams of minced lamb. Now I'll add 1 beaten egg for binding. Now I'll combine 30 grams of breadcrumbs. And I'll divide and shape as evenly as possible and allow to rest in the fridge for 30 minutes. So now that the meatballs have rested, I'll add a little more oil to the same pan that I fried the onions and spices in and get that nice and hot and load in the meatballs and brown all over. All the lamb's nice and brown now, and I'll just set that to one side for a minute. So now I'll drain the excess oil from the pan and I'll add the other half of the onions and spices. To the onion mixture, I'm going to stir in a tin of 400 grams of chopped tomatoes. I'll have a little taste and adjust the seasoning. I'm going to add some ground black pepper, some salt and a couple of pinches of castor sugar. I keep tasting and adjusting the seasoning until I'm happy with it, and then I'll blend with a hand blender. I'll blitz it until it's nice and smooth. Now I'm going to add half a veggie stock cube to 150 millilitres of boiling water. Once I've stirred in the stock, I return all the meatballs to a medium heat and cover them with the sauce. I cooked mine for 35 minutes. Just make sure they're cooked properly all the way through. The times can vary depending on the size, and checking and stirring in between time. Once they're cooked through, I just take them off the heat. There it is, so easy and tasty. Curried lamb meatballs, delicious with any kind of pasta, mashed potatoes, steamed rice. But today I'm serving mine with warmed garlic and coriander naan breads. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.